BMC Super Modern Metallic Steel Grey Faux Leather XL. I got this to store my MoYou UK plates. They fit perfectly. This case is perfect BC, I can just flip through them and see them all clearly. It's very sturdy and it seems like it will hold up well. Very happy with this. The price was very reasonable for the quality, $824.16. After using this for about a week, one of the pockets split along the outer edge. Still love it, but since it's specifically made for metal plates, this shouldn't happen. Also, since MoYou plates have a plastic backing, it wasn't even the metal that could have made it split, just wasn't crimped correctly on that edge. I fixed it with clear packing tape and none of the others look like they are splitting, so I hope this will be the only occurrence. I'll also note that if you totally fill it with plates, it will be heavy. I took it out of my nail case because I thought the weight was too much stress for my nail case handle. TAOindustry Nail Files Complete Bundle Professional 20 Zebra. These are some very nice files. They arrived quickly, packaged nicely, and were as described. They work great, even on thick toenails. One side is softer than the other, so you can choose which side works best for the kind of nails you have. This is a large pack that will last a good long while. They are also very durable, and leave your nails very smooth. I received these files for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased opinion. Plant-derived phytoceramides capsules renew hair and nail. Renew with phytoceramides is the way to go to improve skin quality. Most creams or serums are not able to penetrate the skin, therefore nurturing your skin from the inside out is extremely beneficial. In my experience, that has been the case. I have tried tons of creams and serums with very little notice of change or improvements. I was happy to purchase Renew at a discount for my honest review. I can honestly say my skin all over is so much softer and feels better. My skin is not as dry since I started Renew and feels smooth and hydrated. After age 50, dry skin is a real issue, so I will continue to take the supplement with 40 mg of ceramide PCD and also vitamins A, C, D and E. I feel like I'm getting just what my skin needs. Great deal 5 bits electric manicure nail drill file. I previously ordered same kind with different name imprint on it, but the attachments are not really fitting accurately. So, I ordered again the salon shaper and its attachment is same as previous ones and fits well. I like it. The attachments are not in too far and not loose. The price wise is great even though it takes about 2 weeks. Korean Gold Nanoparticles Eye Hydrogel Patches infused with snail. Excellent product. Affordable and really work well. Definitely makes a difference with puffiness under my eyes and skin feels super moisturized and fine lines are noticeably plumped after leaving on about 20 minutes. Will definitely repurchase when I'm out. Great for pampering this tired mama who sleeps about 4-5 hours a night. These help me fake that 8. Tattify Smiley Face Nail Wraps Happy Karma. Super cute toes. These Tattify Smiley Face Nail Wraps Happy Karma are cute and they stay stuck on your toenails. The yellow is bright and fun and I paired it with bright yellow nail polish and my toes were happy toes. You will need to cut them to size. Some are very large. I'm not sure why they do make them so large, but you can trim it down. While trimming, they can tear easily, so go slowly. The shipping was fast and it's pretty much just in a cardboard envelope when it arrives. These are fun and flirty nail stickers. I did receive these at a small discount for an honest review. Give the Tattify Smiley Face Nail Wraps Happy Karma a try. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Tattify Monopoly Nail Wraps Do Not Pass Go. These are awesome. I ordered them to wear to our youth game night. Love and easy to use. Tattify striped nail wraps Riptide. These easy to apply nail stickers just arrived this morning. I was able to apply them before I went to work. It took a max of 15 minutes to do all 10 fingers. I did it all by myself too, and it was easy. I ordered these nail stickers at a discounted price because I was interested to see if it would save time from painting my nails, and it did. No drying time. The biggest thing to mention is that I am a housekeeper. I use my hands 100% of the time. I do not type on a computer, I am sticking my hands between matrices and doing dishes. Lots of wear and tear. But after one day at work, they still look great. I am not interested in ordering more patterns. Tattify Heart Nail Wraps Amore. Super cute toes. These heart nail wraps are cute and they stay stuck on your toenails. The pink is bright and fun, and I paired it with bright PINL nail polish, and my toes were happy toes. You will need to cut them to size. Some are very large. I'm not sure why they do make them so large, but you can trim it down. While trimming, they can tear easily, so go slowly. The shipping was fast and it's pretty much just in a cardboard envelope when it arrives. These are fun and flirty nail stickers. I did receive these at a small discount for an honest review. Give the Tattify Heart Nail Wraps a try. Mockert Nail Pusher Pens Alloy Diamond Body Quartz Head. I have very ambitious cuticles and have to trim them every few days. Trimming tends to cause some skin peeling, not to mention those little accidents when you trim too close. Ouch. Then there is that little layer that really is adhered to the nail that is so hard to get. I like a clean nail, but it was a lot of work. This does a great job and seems to even slow down the cuticle growth if that is possible. I was afraid that it would wear grooves in the nail, but it is actually quite smooth. I have used it perpendicular to the nail, only letting the angled edge make contact with the cuticle, not the nail. After using it several times in a week and a half, I can't see any damage to the nail. I will guard this carefully and will definitely buy another if anything happens to it. BMC 4PC DIY Decal Making Nail Stamping Metal Guide. Wife is crazy with these little plates. Loves them, but I highly recommend that you buy a binder-like pouch to store these things in. Once you peel the bluish plastic, they tend to scratch easily. No biggie, but it's way better when everything is organized. Easier to find what stamp you're looking for and easier to store everything in the same place, because believe a dozen of these plates surely won't the last of them, haha. Goodle Premium Gold Snail Hydrogel Mask 1.2 ounce gold. Love, love, love this mask. First, I've used snail products before and found them to be very effective on my acne-prone skin. I turned 40 this year and I still suffer with acne the way that a teenager does. I also have super oily skin, so I tend to dry it out because I find that acidic vitamin C serums help more than benzyl peroxide or even retin A. So I bought this mask from my local Korean beauty store, and the next morning I woke up and my face was noticeably brighter and plumper and happier. Also, what snail essence does for me is to calm down and even heal the smaller to normal pimples. This will not do anything for cysts, because nothing will. However, this will heal the skin around the cyst after you've attacked it. The only negative about this mask is that it's a little sticky. The first time I used this, I loved it so much that the second time, after I was done with the mask part, I scooped up the serum from the pouch and rubbed tons of it all over my face and neck. Well, I eventually ended up having to wash it off because it was too sticky. So sticky that I couldn't sleep. Elite 99 Nail Starter Kit, Pick any 5 colors. I just got the package today, and wanted to go ahead and rate this. I will update once it's used. I'm currently waiting for my acrylic powder to come in so I can do them. The customer service is great. They respond in less than a day and even respond to make sure that you aren't unhappy. The package will take toward the end of the date range. Keep in mind it has to go through customs. Be sure you are home. Mine had to be re-delivered as it needed a signature. The post office makes it easy, so no worries in that. You get a lot for your money. The bottles of Polish are your average sized ones. It comes with all referenced. I was pleased and am super excited to get this new craft rolling. The UV lamp is big, but I have no issues, as long as it gets the job done. So far, so good. Nail Harmony Gelish Complete Pro Kit W Fast 545. Love this product. Do my own nails about every 2 weeks. Used to pay $28 plus a tip. This paid for itself, since I can do my own now. Unfortunately, even when stored, the 2 plastic bottles of nail cleanse and soak off leak and evaporate respectively. Tried putting plastic wrap on top before screwing the cap on, and that helps a little with leakage. Maybe should use glass containers. I'll still think it is a great set. The LED curing light is as nice as they use at my nail shop. Has 45-second curing time on each button push.